Hi, welcome back. Another important tip. Let's learn delivery incomplete log report in standard. How we can able to pull if you find any incomplete log in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. This is the same report available in S4 HANA also. So you likely to know if you're a beginner the transaction code for creating the delivery VL01 and change and VL03. This is the report we as per UC. Okay. Let's try to check on SAP system how it works. Okay. So let me try to create a couple of deliveries so that we can able to track them up. Okay. So let's create a sales order. Then I'll create a report so that how it is going to get captured. So it's not only for your delivery documents. You can able to reutilize. Okay. This one for your work. Okay. Let me try to make it. So I just need to put incomplete logs, okay, to get the result. Let me put this one. There is some have changed, something, no issues. Let's test. Okay, and let's save this. Let me try to create a delivery now quickly. Okay, so probably I'll put like this, whatever quantity, and save this. I have few incomplete logs intentionally I have created. Okay, let me show you that one. If I put it as an error message, you cannot able to save it. Since something is warning, but actually which is not filled, it will create incomplete log. So now see this error in incomplete log controls. You can able to see the storage location, warehouse number, volume. All these are the three controls I have. Okay. So the document number ends with 336. Before that, I have created a couple of documents. Okay. Let me try to create, not required. You can able to see this by using this report. Okay. So I told you, right, the report is V_UC. Okay. So now you can able to see all these are the incomplete controls for your status group like general, pricing, delivery, pack, billing document, and goods movement posting status. Okay. If you want to get broader details based on status group, you can get it based on incomplete procedure. You can able to filter it all documents. And this is document category for delivery, GA, and you can able to see like, you will have a different filters. So it doesn't matter. Let's run this one. Okay. So let's execute this. So currently you see this, the document is 335 and 336, two documents. It has incompleteness. Okay. Let's do. Not able to. Let's do this thing. So the current one. Okay. Let's put the storage location. Have any chances? Okay. We have some other issues. Let's save this. And let's check now. Still, we have two incomplete logs. See, warehouse number, I cannot able to put it. Okay. Properly, like volume also is required because we don't require. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's go to the FPRO, the place where I have created an incomplete log. I'll just try to remove the incomplete procedure. Because since it is not a warehouse one, there is no meaning actually. Let's go to the basic functions quickly. I think I have already explained all these things. So let's go to this place. Assign incompleteness. So let's go to the delivery items. Okay. Where is this? Let me come back. So let's go to this. Come here, let's choose this one. Let's go to the procedure. This is what I have chosen for item category. Let's go to the change mode. Okay. So what I'm getting now, it's for volume. Okay. And the next one is like the warehouse number. Okay. Let's delete this. I don't want it. And let's keep this to only one storage location. And let's keep for this one also. Okay. Any other things? Let me try to double check this one. Okay, I'm good to go. So now let's create it. One more. So incomplete procedure, if you don't know, let me know. I'll explain. So if you're a beginner, I think I might have done previously in my YouTube video. Okay. So let's set this. Oh God, cancel. Okay. One second. Why this? Get let's go to BR00. Let's go to material. Okay. So this one is fine. I'm just checking. So this is what it is got deleted. Okay. Maybe some process I have deleted. Otherwise, I will use this one. Copy this. Some issues. Unorganized system. Okay. No issues this time. Let's save this. Let me try to create a delivery. So let's try to pick this quantity. Let's save this. Now let me check the incomplete log. So if I hit an error, it will not allow me to the status. Okay, this time only storage location. Okay, let's try to play with the system. Okay, so now let's try to check quickly this one. Run, you will get 3 incomplete logs. Okay, this one is currently coming. I'll just try to fill 337. It should be moved from the report. That's what the target is all about. So now let's go to VL. So splash flow VL JPM. Okay, let me check the screen. After press enter, just enter the storage location so that you know it will go incompleteness. Okay, previously it is not possible. Just wanted to show the scenario how it is moved from the report. That's what the target is all about. Okay, incompleteness removed for this one. Okay, let's come back. There is no refresh here. Okay, it's quite surprising. Okay, so let's run this one more time. So now 337 is gone. This is how it works. Okay, so I'll try to show some reports every day for your betterment. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe my channel. This is my humble request. If you really like these kind of videos, please subscribe my channel. This is my dedicated forum. Currently, I'm holding 6,358 students, and this is one of my top-notch course, 113 hours. And I'm going to add this video also over there. And all these are different courses. I specifically recommend these 2 courses who are looking for real-time job, getting master to write functional specification. Here, explain detail. This is common for every consultant, not only for SDM and PP, anyone. This is also common for who would like to learn idocs, MM, SD, anything for that matter. Okay. So this is one of my top-notch course, currently holding 2,000 plus students. And if you really want, you can subscribe it. This is my advanced course. Okay. For pricing on S4 HANA. Like this, so many courses are available. You can try this. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. So, wishing you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.